What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix KB update 5062660 not installing on a Windows 11 and how we can fix this app. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about we need to pause and restart the update. To do so, we just need to go over here, search for the settings, click on the settings icon. Now from here navigate to Windows Update. And first and foremost step, make sure that you pause it for a week, then you have to reinstall it back. Then you have to check for the update, and if that is not working, don't worry, we'll move to the next step. Next step is all about we need to start App Readiness on your service. To do so, we just need to go over here, search for the services, and you have to click on this one. And right now, once it loaded up, you have to go over here, right click on the App Readiness, go to the properties. Make sure it is automatic, and also as you can see it is stopped, so we have to start it. Now once it runs, you just need to go for OK, and you have to close this and you have to check. Next one, we need to run update troubleshooter. To do so, we just need to go over here, search for the settings, click on the settings. Now from here we need to navigate to system, scroll down and navigate to troubleshoot and go to other troubleshoots. Now from here you can see there is an option called Windows Update. Click on this one. And what happens is a new boxes will be popping up, which is asking you some question like this. What is the issue right now? So there are two kinds of situation it can happen. One is you're not able to update or uninstall or install any latest update, or other one is related to any other thing. So from here we have to select what is our issue, and we have to let know the Windows to do some diagnostic run from their end, which is by default. So it is asking the question, what is your trouble? And we have two options. One is we install an update but it caused an issue. Another one is we are not able to install, uninstall, or can't download any kind of update. So this is what most of us is going through the issue. So you have to select this one. And right now you have to run a diagnostic update on a Windows. So it will be cross-checking what is the issue, and it will be letting you guys what is the issue. So even though for most people this is not going to work, so you can move to the third step. Third step is all about we just need to go over here, restart Windows Update and background transfer intelligence. So just go over here, search for the services and click on this one. So the first one, we just need to go over here, background intelligent transfer service, right click and go to the properties. Make sure it is automatic, and also the service status should be not stop, it should be start. So make sure that you start it. Once after you're done with this one, we have to update the parallel. We need to go over here on the Windows Update as well. So scroll down and navigate to Windows Update. So over here you'll be able to find the Windows Update. So right click and go to the properties. Make sure that you set into automatic, and also the service status should be running. Now you have to close this and you have to check. Next one, use Windows 11 installation assistant. So I'll be providing a link in the description that's going to take you to this. Now from here you can use Windows 11 for the installation assistant, and you have to check. That might work in most cases, so you have to try this as well. Once afterwards you might be having, still if you're having the trouble, then we just need to use Microsoft Update Catalog. So for that we just need to copy this particular one, that is KB5062660. Now what we need to do is just go over here in the catalog. Now over here in the catalog we have to paste this particular number and go for search. Now we'll be getting these options. So one is for x64 based one, another one is for ARM64. So most of the PC will be on x64. So just go over and click on the download. Now from here you have to download the latest versions of Windows. Click on this one. So this will take a little bit of time. So once you download this one, you have to install it and you have to check. Next step is all about we need to reset Windows Update components. To do so, we just need to copy all these commands. As you can see, these are the commands. So we have to copy these commands without missing anyone. So you keep on copying this. Now once you copy this, you have to go over here in the desktop, right click and go to new, create a test document. Now you have to get into this. Now we have to save it. Once you save it, just go over here, select and go for save as. Now first one, we need to rename it as wuauserv.bat, and make sure that you set this up to all files and go for save. You should be saving this on your desktop. As you can see, I have saved it. Now we have to right click and go to run as administrator, and we need to go for yes. So what happens is this is going to take a little bit of time. So as you can see, there are a lot of comments which I copied right now, which is already running right now in the CMD. So this particular step is going to take a little bit of time. So we need to wait this patiently because it's going to take a lot of time. Hardly I have to say maybe 10 to 20 minutes, the maximum duration it will be, because I received a few comments in the comment section which people is asking how much time this is going to take. It might take around 10 to 20 minutes, but even though it worth a lot because this particular step did work at many users, so you have to wait for this patiently. After this is successfully done, you have to do a restart on your system. So just go over here, do a restart after this successfully done, because after this, you have to check most probably this is going to work. As you can see, it is getting progress, so it is going to take a little bit of time, even though in the meantime, I'm going to demonstrate you the next step. Next step is all about use option in order to fix problem using Windows Update. So just go over here, search for the settings, click on the settings. And right now we need to navigate to system. Now from here, scroll down and navigate to recovery. And there is an option called fix problem using Windows Update. So what is it is all about reinstalling your current version of Windows, but you'll not be losing any app files or settings. Everything will be preserved and you have to check with it. Last and the least step is all about we need to use the media creation tool, which I'll be providing in the video description. So if you go over here, you can see this is Windows Installation Assistant. So we have the media creation tool. Now from here, you have to download this, install the Windows, and you have to check. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix the latest issue that is happening for many users, that is KB5062660 not installing on a Windows 11, and how we can fix this up. I hope this quick video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.